Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm gonna be sharing with you the recipe to my melon or egusi soup. Guys, this tastes so good. This is a Nigerian soup and it tastes amazing. Different tribes in the nation make it in different ways, but this is how I make mine. It is so tasty and it's so easy to make. You can substitute any of the ingredients, whatever you want, and it's still gonna come out good because it's that delicious. So guys, if you want to learn how to make this egusi soup, then just keep watching. And while you're watching guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, leave comments down below, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you loved it with your friends and family. Just share with them. They need to see and learn how to make this egusi soup because it's so good. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Of course, I'll need some chicken thighs, some cow skin or one more, my stockfish, my dry fish, my periwinkle, which I love, some crayfish. I have here some onions, tomatoes, habanero pepper for some heat, and my stock cubes. And of course, I'll finish this up with my spinach. So now I'm gonna add some palm oil to my pot and I'm gonna let this heat up, and once it's hot, I'm gonna use it to saute my onions. Use palm oil guys, do not substitute this oil for any other kind of oil because it's the best. So I'm gonna saute my onions for about 3 to 5 minutes until my onions are really fragrant and softened. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my blended tomatoes and habanero pepper. So now I'm gonna let this cook down and stew and fry for about 10 minutes. And as soon as it cooks down, I'm gonna go ahead and add my crayfish. Keep stirring it and keep cooking it. The longer you cook this stuff, the more delicious it gets. So now I've added my egusi and I'll keep frying this. You have to keep this moving guys because you don't want it to get burnt. So this is where my method differs from other people. So people prefer to fry the egusi before they add the blended tomatoes and pepper, but I just do it this way because it's easy for me and I love it and it works perfectly. So now I'm gonna add my meat stock and I'm gonna keep cooking this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it simmer on medium heat. So now I'm adding my stock cube and some salt, and I'm adding my chicken. So guys, you don't need to preheat your chicken because this is soft chicken, okay? It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So the timing is perfect. So keep adding water to your soup because you don't want it to get burnt, because as you keep cooking it, the water would go down and you have to keep adding extra water. So let this simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, and as it's simmering, go ahead and throw in your fish, your stockfish, and your kanda or pomo or your cow skin. So keep stirring this and let this cook for as long as you can, because like I said guys, the longer you cook this, the yummier it gets. So I've added some water, I'm closing this, and I'm gonna let it simmer like I said for 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes guys, it looks and smells amazing. So now I'm adding my meat. Guys, remember my goat meat was already pre-cooked, so you don't have to add it too early because you don't want it to break apart in the soup. So at this point, I've added my goat meat. I'll stir this up and cover this pot and let it cook for an extra 5 minutes until the goat meat absorbs all that delicious flavor. So this is what it looks like, and it looks so good. I wish you guys were here to smell it. It smells so good. So I'm adding some extra stock cube because I feel like it needed some extra seasoning. It's your soup, guys. You season it to your tasting, okay? Do whatever you want as long as you don't overdo it, because you don't want any flavor to overpower the subtle and extra delicious flavor of the egusi. So be careful with that. Don't oversalt it and don't be too heavy with your seasoning cube, okay? Be light-handed. I tasted it and it tastes amazing. So now I'm adding my special seasoning, my Cameroon pepper. Guys, this is optional, but I love it. It makes a difference. If you have it, use it. So now I've added my periwinkle, and I'm gonna let this cook with this periwinkle for about 5 minutes because the periwinkle takes just a couple minutes to cook. You don't want to overcook it, so that's why I did not add it at the beginning of the cooking process. So now that my periwinkle is done, I'm adding my spinach, and guys, my soup is done. The soup is done. It's done. So go ahead and turn off the heat and let this rest. This soup is done. Rest it for about 5 minutes and go ahead and dish it and eat it and enjoy and thank me later. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate it, guys. So keep checking back to see the videos that I have to post. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is a good time to do that. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know if there's a way to make it better. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.